Ethical considerations in AI-generated content. Ethical considerations in AI-generated content are of paramount importance as this technology becomes increasingly prevalent. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms are trained on large data sets which may contain inherent biases present in the data. This can lead to biased outputs in AI-generated content, perpetuating stereotypes or discrimination. It is crucial to address and mitigate these biases to ensure fairness and inclusivity in the content generated by AI systems. Accountability and transparency. AI-generated content can make it difficult to determine the original source or authorship of the content. This raises questions about accountability and transparency. It is important to clearly disclose when content is generated by AI to avoid misleading users and to ensure that responsibility for the content is properly assigned. If you like this video, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.